Bee Eater.
Aha! Gotcha!
Bee Eater.
Wait! Yow! Yikes! Get it off me! Buzz!
Bee Eater. This is a shoebill. Despite its scary stare, it's a calm bird from African wetlands. Its huge shoe-shaped bill helps it catch fish with incredible precision. Hornbird. Hornbird? Hornbird. This is a hornbill. Its large beak helps it reach fruit and communicate with other birds. Many species live in tropical forests. Secretarybird.
Hello,
Secretary
yes, just
Bird.
a moment. Speaking. Oh, dear. I didn't send. What? Oh, no. Everything is under control.
Secretarybird. This is a secretarybird. It hunts snakes on the African savanna using its long, powerful legs. It's one of the most unique birds in the world. Kingfisher.
Behold the
Kingfisher.
catch of the century. All hail the royal fish. Truly majestic.
Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It's famous for diving into rivers at high speed to catch fish. Its bright colors make it easy to recognize. Shoebill. 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 This is a shoebill. Despite its scary stare, it's a calm bird from African wetlands. Its huge shoe-shaped bill helps it catch fish with incredible precision. Hummingbird. 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 This is a hummingbird. It can hover like a helicopter while drinking nectar from flowers. Its wings beat incredibly fast.